Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to discuss some of the unique characteristic properties of carbon, and we will understand that why carbon is forming so many compounds and billions of compounds which are very important to us. So this is under the versatile nature of carbon. This is from the chapter number 4 CBSE standard. So here we are going to discuss three basic properties of carbon. First is catenation, second one is tetravalency of carbon, and third one, the very important reason that why carbon is forming a stable bond with so many numerous elements. So let us start with our first point, that carbon can form compound with other carbon atoms and form a large chain. This is known as catenation. When carbon is forming compound like this is a chain like structure, and this chain can go up to 1 lakh atom. So this much long chain carbon can form, and this property of carbon is known as catenation. So what is catenation? The property of carbon which enables carbon to form a long chain molecule is known as catenation. In this, carbon-carbon bonds will be there. Carbon will also form chain-like structure, branch structure or ring structure. Now what is the meaning of branch structure? Branch structure means like this. The same thing we have seen in structure of graphite and structure of diamond. So these are known as branch structure. These are the branch. So these are branch. And the ring structure. Ring structure means a closed structure. So this is known as benzene ring, and this we will study further. That this is a carbon ring, this is benzene ring, and this is a ring structure of carbon. So carbon can form chain-like structure, branch structure and ring structure, and all these structures are equally stable. And large chain formation is known as catenation. This is important point. This is catenation. Carbon can form single, double bond and triple bond. Carbon-carbon bond, single bond, carbon-carbon double bond, carbon-carbon triple bond. Carbon can form all these three types of molecules, where in this carbon-carbon bonds are saturated molecules and these two molecules are unsaturated molecules. This we will discuss further when we will discuss the hydrocarbons and homologous series of alkane, alkene and alkyne. So carbon can form single bond, double bond and triple bond. And carbon-carbon bond are very strong. No other element shows property like this. Silicon form molecule, but it is only up to 7 to 8 atoms. Silicon shows some of the properties which we can relate it to carbon or which are similar to carbon. But these bonds of silicons are very reactive, and they can form only up to 7 to 8 atoms. It is not like carbon, then it can form a long chain molecules. This is all about how many types of molecule carbon can form. So first is catenation, that long chain like molecule it can form. It can form branch molecules, it can form a ring-like structure. It can form single bonded molecules, double bonded molecules and triple bonded molecules. And it has a unique characteristic property of catenation. Now second point is carbon can form compound with oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur and chlorine. And all these elements will form a bond with carbon, and they all are equally stable. Now another main point is tetravalency. Carbon has 4 valency. Carbon is lacking by 4 electrons. So it will form 4 single bond by sharing of electrons. So this tetravalency will help carbon to form a different types of molecules. All these compounds are very stable. Whenever carbon is making a compounds with any other elements or along with another carbon, all these compounds are very stable. Now what is the reason of that? That carbon bond is a strong bond because carbon has a small size. Carbon has 6 protons, 6 neutrons and 6 electrons. So carbon's atomic size is small, and it enables nucleus to hold on to the shared pair of electrons. Whatever electrons carbon is sharing here, the 4 different electrons it is sharing. So all these 4 shared pair of electron, carbon is unable to hold it with the nucleus. Why? Because its atomic size is smaller. So the electrostatic force of nucleus is able to hold all the 4 shared pair of electrons, and that's why these bonds are strong. All the 4 covalent bonds are strong, and that's why carbon can hold up to a very large number of atoms. So these are some of the unique properties of carbon, and from this the reason may come in the exam that why carbon can form so many different types of molecules and compounds. Then we need to write all these 3 points and we need to discuss it. Then the question may come that what is catenation, what is tetravalency, and the last, this is very important, that why all the carbon bonds are very strong and stable. Then we need to write that its atomic size is very small and its nucleus is unable to hold all the 4 shared pair of electrons. So this is all about unique features of carbon. In coming videos we are going to discuss the hydrocarbons and homologous series of alkane, alkene and alkyne. So don't forget to subscribe, learn yourself. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing.